Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I make videos on planning with the occasional review. Today's review is going to be all about pens from Jetpens as well as Amazon. So the first thing I want to talk about are these pens. I forgot all about them. I saw them a long time ago. These ones are black. I made sure that they were black, but they come in a 0.3 and a 0.4. So there's a couple different styles. Be aware of that in case you just want black ink. And I bought what I believe to be are the refills that go in these pens. One in a 0.3 and a 0.4 in case I really liked them. These have like a really nice needle tip. I like them. Okay, that's a 0.4. I was copying that and I just wrote 3. So you can tell obviously the difference. This is much bolder, thicker line by 1 millimeter. I was hoping that this would work nice in the Tomoe River paper because it is a 0.3. Sometimes you can use a finer tip gel pen and it won't smear as badly. So that's why I decided to get a 0.3. I bought a 0.4 because sometimes a more narrow tipped pen can be very scratchy. Like some of the High-Tech C's, what's it called? Multi-barrel ones. They are too scratchy for me and I don't care for them, so I go up a size. So just in case that happened, I got a 0.4, but they both write really nice and smooth. This is really great paper. This is the, what is it called? Down here. And I definitely, of course, forgot to bring me some Tomoe River paper. Let me see if I have any near me. .4 this time, Sylvia. So for those of you who don't know, the Tomoe River paper is a beautiful Bible thin Japanese paper that holds a lot of different mediums. However, the ink tends to sit on top and doesn't really like seep in, so it smears like crazy and it takes a long time to dry. So let's see. Top one is good. Second one's good as well. Ooh, I'm liking that. So let's do a 5-second test just to try that out. I'm on a mission, y'all. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have 3 Hobonichis for 2021. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 seconds, you can see here, it smeared just a smidge. Oh my gosh, I think both these pens might work really nicely. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna write really sloppily to try to do this. Okay. Wow, that's with the 0.4, you guys. That makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Okay, so now this is a mechanical pencil. I was watching a video, I should say re-watching a video of Hobonichi, just like setups and stuff. And I saw one by Talks from the Heart. And in that video, she was talking about how she writes with mechanical pencil because she was having problems with smearage. And I thought, oh, that's such a great idea. If I can't find a pen that works for me, I'd love to get some more mechanical pencils that are just kind of cutesy. And this is one of them. It's in brown with polka dots, which I love, but also it's a shaker mechanical pencil. So when you shake it, the tip comes out, as well as the lead. Sorry, I'm not in frame. Isn't that cool? And I already own one, a shaker pen like this, mechanical pencil. It's a white one, not exactly this style, but I just thought it was so cute. I just bought this because I needed some, like I think $3 or something so that I could have free shipping. So I picked this up. Then one of my favorite things in the world to get every year, I get these. I get a lot of questions about these. I will do this last so I can do one more pen test. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know how much I love my Frixion pens. This is the Frixion Ball Slim in the 0.38. You can buy this in a whole set of, I don't even know, 15 or 20 different colors. And so the color of the barrel is the color of the ink on the inside. I love these. They are very skinny mini, and that makes them a little bit harder to hold on to. If you have small hands, maybe you like things like this. I was looking for something that was a little bit more professional, even though I do love this ink and this 0.38 size. So I ended up picking up this, which is the Frixion Ball Slim Biz, which is Biz 2, I believe. I will link it down below. It does come in blue, black, and I think red. Just the tip here is a different color. But I love this pen so much. It's even slimmer than the plastic version, so be aware of that. I was hoping to use this pen in my Hobonichi. So the way you get the tip to come out to extend is to push down on the clip here. And we will go ahead and do a quick little pen test. It looks to me maybe even about the same or finer than this 0.3. So very interesting there. And of course it erases nicely. I'll erase this part beautifully. I love it so much. So because I love these pens so much, because I write with them for long periods of time, especially when I'm planning, this is a little too slim. This is definitely slim. It reminds me of the Parker Jotters. I purchased these. I found these on Amazon. Back in the day, I used to have pencil grips, but they were really like shiny and plasticky and had a lot of glitter, and they were really bright colors, and I just didn't want that, even though I found a bunch of them for pretty cheap on Amazon. At first glance, I thought these were all different sizes. It's actually the same one. They just, you know, alternate turning them right side up and upside down. They're the same exact one. So one side is more narrow and one is fatter. You can go ahead and slide these in. At first I thought, oh my gosh, these are going to be too skinny and they're not going to be able to hold them, but they work nicely in here. So I like, you know, the bigger grip on the bottom so I can hold it easier. And then of course it even fits nicely in here as well. So you can do a skinnier one if you'd like. And there you go. So I'm really excited about this find because I was hoping I wouldn't have to use like really like childlike colors. It's fine. I have some somewhere that I've had since like seriously high school, I think. They last forever. So you end up getting 6 in a pack. I'm so excited about these. So if you're also looking for a grip for pencils or pens, I highly recommend these. The Frixion, they don't have any type of grip at all. Some pens tend to have like even like this Frixion pen. It also has like a very thin grip on it, but these ones don't come with one, and that's okay. You twist them right here where the grip goes. So that might be another reason why they didn't want to put one there. I don't really know. This one twists right here as well, but it misses the grip. So I don't know why they couldn't do the same to these, but they don't. Maybe not everyone wants a grip on their pen, but yeah, I love using these. They've been working really well. I also bought a bunch of just black ink refills for these, and they fit nicely in here as well. So let me show you that. So this is the same refill that goes in these. That means that if you would really like to have colored ink in these, like this is one of my favorite. I don't know what color it is. I would say it's like a wine color. You can go ahead and just buy refills of the wine for this. And you can find those on Jetpens, Tokyo Pen Shop, and I believe Amazon also sells the color cartridges for these. And that is the last pen that I ended up getting for this haul. So So let's zoom out and move on to the sticker set. I love this sticker set. It's one of my favorites. I don't believe I got one for 2020 because I didn't care for one of my favorite things in here, which is the index stickers. They were like brown and yellow and weird colors, and I was like, I'm gonna pass on that. Also, they come with schedule stickers that are crazy yellow. They're just like French vanilla. I don't even know what they're doing there. And then they come with these clear round stickers that you will see. Hobonichi sells a bunch of these. I have a ton of them. I love them. You can just highlight dates on your calendar with them. And then of course it comes with some film pockets and then just the stickers for 2021. This is sold by Traveler's Company and you can use them in your Traveler's notebook. These stickers are lovely and foiled and look beautiful. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very nice. And I like the range of colors. One year they were like trains. I don't know if that was last year's, but I don't know. Something about the way they looked. They were kind of vintage, but they were also like, they reminded me of 1970s wallpaper, like weird brown and yellow colors. I just didn't care for the color scheme, but these are really nice. Then we have those very yellow stickers. So if I put it against this paper, you can see how yellow it is in difference. This seems like it's a little more, no, I was gonna say it's more subtle. I don't think so. I do like these icons. Sometimes I just pill one up, put it here, and I use it kind of like for an icon for like a collections page. So for instance, if I use this and I was doing like a travel page, that would indicate to me that that's what that's about. Yeah, I don't know. I don't always like the color of these. I wish they came in different colors instead of just this really, really awkward yellow, or maybe even in white. That would be okay, but they're definitely there and I try to use them when I can. These are for the dates. I'll just put one on here. So if that was like the 5th, you could definitely see that in a calendar. Really, really nice. Love these. These are the film stickers, so you can put these on a page or on the cover of your TN, or even like on this Hobonichi cover here, and it makes a pocket. So if you peel off this part right here, I know it's hard to see, but yeah, it makes a little pocket in there and you can stuff whatever you want. Then these are the alphabet stickers that you can cut out and you just like rub them and they come off. I love these. I use them all of the time. And then the last one is why I actually purchased this. I think it's worth it just for these. These are the index stickers. I have them on my Hobonichis, but they'll come up somewhere, I'm sure, eventually at some point. Because I did buy some index stickers like this from Planner Press. So we'll see what ends up happening. But these colors I could handle a little bit more than last year's. There was something about that brown and yellow that just threw me, and I'm pretty sure it was last year's stickers. Yeah, it was rough. So it shows you here how you can put them on. You can put them on the side of your planner or on the top. These are inserts, of course, and then on the passport on top or on the side as well. So I love these. They're like my favorite. Orange. This is like a orange red. It's an awkward color, but I don't hate it as much. I don't think it's too bad. I've made it work for me in the past for sure. And then of course you get these tabs here: memo, list, important information, travel, and then you get them smaller in case you want to put them in the passport, repeated. So these are great little stickers, and you get these, which are so cool. What did I say they were called? The film pocket stickers. And they also sell these just clear by Traveler's Company, and you can get like a bunch. I have them. I don't love them all that much because, I don't know, maybe it's the style. I think that these ones happen to be a better quality. There is adhesive just around the edge, not here in the center. So when you put things into this pocket, it won't stick to it or anything like that. These are really beautiful. So I'm excited to use these ones. And even though they're made for like Traveler's notebooks and Traveler's Company in general, you can use them on anything. So if ever you like see these tabs and you're like, oh, where did she get these tabs from? This is where I get them from. You can usually find these pretty much all year round. Towards the end of the year, it might get harder because they sell out. Yeah, I always make sure to pick up a pack so that I always have them to refer to in case I need them. Oh my gosh, look, I just found them. Haha. So these were the ones that I purchased. So if you are looking to get refills, there's 3 in a pack, and I ended up getting like 5 or something. So that has been my haul from Jetpens as well as Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.